How to get cryptocurrency for free from anywhere in the world. The website that we'll be visiting is COINTIPLY, and you can visit this website from anywhere in the world and start getting cryptocurrency, whether that be Bitcoin or Dogecoin, any one of your favorite major tokens, for completely free. And they also have an app, so you can download it on Google Play. As you can see here, over $12 million has been paid out thus far in Bitcoin. And you can simply tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. But before we do that, let's look into this website and get some more information on them. As you can see here, they have reviews, customer reviews, and you'll see with both its website and app versions, there are so many things to do at COINTIPLY. It's also a great place to share ideas with like-minded folks from all over the world. So you can see that they have a positive review on Trustpilot of 4.7, and you'll see right here, turn your time into money. As the way, one of the many ways how you can make money when it comes to COINTIPLY is by playing games. So you'll be able to earn crypto token by simply playing games. You can also earn crypto by watching videos, and also if you like to shop online, why not shop online and get a return of crypto by using COINTIPLY. And you can also earn crypto by signing up for other exciting services. By simply sharing your opinion and doing surveys, you'll also be able to earn crypto token using this platform. As you can see here, earn from $1 to $5 for every online survey you participate in. Receive credits if you are disqualified from a survey. And you can see the impact of your responses among businesses and brands around the world. So you'll be able to earn crypto by doing surveys with this platform. And as I said earlier, you can also play a game and make money with them. And how does it work? Well, first you'll sign up, which is completely free. Then you can complete offers, or you can play games, or you can simply share your thoughts and do this. And if we should scroll down and look on their frequently asked questions, how much can I earn on COINTIPLY? The average user earns up to $30 monthly on COINTIPLY by completing surveys. So how much you earn depends on your location and how much free time you have, and the variety of tasks you complete. And what's the minimum withdrawal limit? The minimum withdrawal limit, as you can see here, you can withdraw whether that be Bitcoin, Doge, Dash, or LTC wallet. You'll be able to withdraw the equivalent of $3. And you can see here they do have an app when it comes on Android, but it isn't available on iOS, and it is completely free. As you can see, it's absolutely free. So if you are interested in getting some free crypto token online, this is definitely a website that you can look into, and it is supported worldwide, as you can see right here. And thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe, as I will be releasing daily videos.